Zepl notebooks can access the power of AutoML and MLOps within the DataRobot platform. This is done by connecting to the DataRobot API using a key value store. First, we need to create a new key value pair from within the DataRobot application. Log into DataRobot, then click the account icon in the top right. Then select Developer Tools from the menu. Here we can create key value pairs that authenticate our code and apps when accessing the DataRobot API. Create a new key by clicking Create New Key. Give the key a name. Here we will use the name DataRobot_key. Click Save. Now you can copy the key's value by clicking the copy icon on the right side of the new key. This key value will be used within our Zepl notebook to connect to DataRobot. Now, within a Zepl notebook, create a new secret store data source. Give the secret store a name, and then put in the key value pair that was provided from the DataRobot app. In the paragraph, import the DataRobot package. Access the key value pair by using the z.getDataSource function. This function requires a parameter to define the data source to retrieve and will return a dictionary of the key value pair. Simply access the value by providing the key reference to the dictionary. This will mask our key value pair from being exposed explicitly in our code. Connect to DataRobot using the DataRobot package's client function, where the first parameters are token and the second parameter defines the API endpoint. This creates a DataRobot API object that we can use to programmatically create projects, deploy models, and even score models. In fact, a very large portion of the DataRobot UI functionality can be accessed through this API object.